and shop. This pinecone looks very different.
That's not a pine cone.
It's Grownups, a baby hedgehog.
Baby hedgehogs usually stay with their families. Is she lost?
And we'll do Kyle Grownup. No, be Borja. Don't worry. We need to help him find his clone.
Yeah, come on.
Let's find your family.
Come with us, Akara. That's right. Kara, we're your new friends.
And we'll help you find your clone. I found something! Is this where your clan lives?
Oh, of course. This is where the Mother Rua lives. No, be Borja, Akara. We'll find your clone.
Is this where your clan lives, little Grownup?
Oh, this is the Brooks house.
Come on, let's keep looking for your clan. Grownup, is this where you live?
We did it! We found your clone! Oh no, little Grownup. This is your home, not mine. No, be Borja. We're Corda now. And we'll come visit you soon. Come on, let's head back to Pip's.